Hey there, my fellow Scorpios. Welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to your reading. Hope you guys having a fantastic day today. Thank you for supporting to my channel and thanks as well for joining me here. To my soul family and soul tribes, thank you very much for passing by and watching my videos. If you are new here, welcome. Cross watchers are also welcome. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. So here we go. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Universal energy for the star sign of Scorpio. What is going on with Scorpio? Who is coming towards Scorpio? Is there any love interest for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. This is a timeless and general energy reading for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. And for some of you guys, it could not be your energy. It's because there are millions of Scorpios all over the world, and I am one of them. Divine God and Goddess of all beings, divine ancestors, divine spirits, spirits of all animals, show me the cards what I need to see for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. What do Scorpio needs to know about love, money, career, and business? Show me the cards what I need to see, please. What are the possible energies ahead for the star sign of Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus? So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me see your card readings for today, guys. First, we have the Hierophant. We also have the Judgment, the Knight of Wands, the Ace of Pentacles, the Five of Swords, the Four of Cups, the Seven of Pentacles, the World. We also have the Eight of Swords, the Death, and at the bottom of the deck, we have the Seven of Swords. I want to pick one bonus card. The Knight of Swords. So my beautiful souls, Scorpio, let me clarify your readings for today, guys. Please keep in mind that this is not a personal reading. So take only what fits in your story and don't manifest the rest, okay? The first foundation of your reading is the Hierophant. This is a Taurus energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is your energy. You are focusing in your spirituality for some of you. Others of you, you are focusing your intuition. You are listening your inner voice. Others of you, it could also be that this is related to your faith and commitment, marriage, traditional values in our family. It could also be that you want or you plan to get married. You want to settle down if you are single. If you are married, you want to have a strong family ties with your family. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Others of you, it could also be that you are dealing with this person who embody the energy of Taurus. Could also be other sign. And this person wants to have or wants to bring this commitment into a higher level. Could also be you, that you want to bring this relationship into a higher level, and that is to marry with this person. Or it could also be that this person wants to marry you because this person viewed you as a marriage material. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Judgment. This is a Pluto energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with the same sign, the Scorpio, because Pluto is one of the ruling planets of Scorpio. I feel like this is your energy. You are already awakened from the past scenario. You are awakened of who you are and what is your purpose in your life. Others of you, this is an awakening call. But most of you guys, it could also be that you already transform into a higher level. You are evolved and adapted, and there is no turning back here. Others of you, it could also be that there are people in the past who are awakened for what they have done to you. Yeah. And this person or group of people wants to ask forgiveness and to try once more with this relationship. You look. It could also be that this group of people or this person misjudged you in the past, and now their eyes are open. And that's why they want to ask forgiveness and to reconcile with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It could also be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle. Could also be your ex, because this is related to past people and or your community. Others of you, if you are applying a job, rest assured that your resume was already evaluated. And I feel like for some of you guys, you are not the same person before. Most of you are not the same person before, and you cannot go back to where you are before because you evolve into a higher level. And could be that this group of people in the past who wants to ask forgiveness and to reconcile with you are still in the low vibes energy, and you cannot go back, you cannot label them. It's because you are evolved into a higher self, a higher level, a different frequency, timeline, and dimensions, because there is no turning back here. Take only what fits in your story, okay? For some of you, you have too many illuminations, and you are awakened, you have clarity, and you realize that the things was happened the way it was. It's because there is a reason. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Knight of Wands. This is the base of the situation. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fire sign, Sagittarius. Or it could also be that you have a Sagittarius in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. I feel like this person wants to approach you. It could also be that this person is your ex. Remember, somebody here wants to ask forgiveness and reconciliation to try once more with this relation. Could be your ex. It's Mercury retrograde. And I feel like as well that this person still having a strong passion and desire towards you. And this person never learned their lessons. This person say, "Hey Scorpio, I am back. You learn your lessons. I am back here now. But the truth is this person is the same. In and out of your life. This is only like a fling, an adventure, or a one-night stand. Take only what fits in your story. For some of you guys, this is your energy. You are taking an action to a certain things without planning. And the universe advises you to make a pause. You need to plan first before you take an action. It's because sometimes it may lead you to a wrong direction in life. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here your energy in the near future, around 3 to 6 months. This is the Ace of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn, or it could also be other sign. I feel like you are opening the doors of golden opportunity. You have lots of possibilities, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, especially related to material world. Others of you, it could also be related to a new business venture, a new investment, a new creativity. And you are very practical. You have courage and perseverance to take an action with this new golden opportunity. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Five of Swords. This is your energy and the distant future, around 12 months. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like for some of you, this is your energy. You manage to pick your battles wisely. You don't want to engage with this group of people who are manipulators, gaslighters, backstabbers, those people who are spreading lies about you, these people who wants to put you in fighting mood. It could also be that this group of people are in your workplace, in your family, in your friend circle. It could also be in your neighbors, your community, or your ex. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, but I feel like this group of people now are mad about you because you are no longer engaging with them anymore. You learn to pick your battles wisely. And this group of people are feeling defeated. It's because they couldn't take you down. They couldn't involve you in this conflict. It's because you are no longer the same person before. You evolve into a higher level. And this group of people, these low vibes energy people, these manipulators, backstabbers, gossipers, these people who are slandering your name, you are not the same level. And there is no turning back here. You cannot go back to this group of people because you are in the different timelines and frequency. And they're still gossiping and spreading lies about you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And they are mad because I feel like for some of you guys, you cut off the ties of this group of people. Others of you, you're still seeing these people, maybe in your workplace. But in your mind, you are cutting off this nonsense. These people who are envy, who are jealous on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This group of people are intimidated with your aura. And now, you learn to ignore them. You are no longer engaging your energy to these low vibes people, these backstabbers, these manipulators, gaslighters, and bullying group. And that's why they are angry with you and they want to attack you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Sorry. Confirmation. Thank you, God. And I feel like this group of people now are still gossiping and spreading lies about you. But you don't care anymore. They can talk whatever they want. You are no longer, you are not the same person before, and you are no longer engaging your energy to this group of people. Could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Four of Cups. This is a Cancer energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Cancer, or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like this is related to your stability. This is your environment at home or in your workplace. You are building your stability, a strong foundation. It could also be that you want to get married if you are still single. If you are married, it could also be that you want to have a security and a stable, harmonious relationship with your family. It could also be that you are dealing with an Aries, or you have an Aries in your birth chart. Sorry, Cancer, or you have a Cancer in your birth chart. Oh, this is the Four of Cups. What do you call this? Okay. For some of you guys, it could also be that somebody here is, sorry guys, because I misinterchanged the Four of Wands into the Four of Cups. I feel like for some of you guys, somebody here is stuck in the old energy. It could be you or the person you are dealing with. It could also be that this person is embodied the energy of Cancer. And it could also be that this person, sorry, is stuck their feelings in the past and they miss the opportunity to have you in their lives. Or it could also be that you already rejected this person, because the Four of Cups is rejection. Others of you, it could also be that this person is feeling rejected by you. Could be a Cancer. It could also be other sign. It could also be a group of people, because this is the Four of Cups. Could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, your ex, or in the community. But somebody here is feeling stuck, couldn't move on. It's because somebody is still clinging in the old energy. If this is your energy, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, the universe advises you to turn around. You don't have to cry over a spilled milk. It is wasted and cannot be regained. The past couldn't be changed. It can only be accepted. But I feel like this is your energy. This is not your energy. Sorry guys. I feel like this is not your energy. This is the energy of the person you are dealing with, because you already evolved into a higher level. And this person missed the opportunity to have you in their lives. And you already as well rejected this person. It could also be that this is the feelings of the person in the past. You are not the same frequency. Both of you having different timeline. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the Seven of Pentacles. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus, or you have a Taurus in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like Whatever you are working, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, the things comes into fruition. It's not too much, but if you want to build an empire, you only, what do you call this? You cannot build it into 24 hours. You need patience, courage, and perseverance. It's because if you want a longevity, it will take also longer. But rest assured that whatever you work, you started, this is like planting a seeds. The things here come into fruition. There is growth here and progress. Take only what fits in your story, okay? Others of you, it could also be that you are dealing with a Taurus. And this person wants to nurture the relationship with you. Either you to this person or this person to you wants to nurture this relationship. Could also be that somebody here wants to change a direction in life. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And this is your immediate future. This is around 3 weeks. And we have here the world. This is the completion of the cycle. And this is your hopes and fears in this reading. For some of you guys, you already completed the integration of your life and the world surrounds you. You have a clarity. You have too many illuminations. You also accept and realize why the things happened the way it was. Others of you, it could also be that you are going to travel or somebody wants to travel towards on you. It could also be that the world is watching you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be you are working in a public eye or you have a platform in social media and the world is watching you. Others of you, this is your major transition in your life. This is out with the old and with the new. And you sheds your old skin, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It's because you realize that you need to step forward. It's because there is nothing left you behind. And you also awaken the scenario in the past. Either you are going to travel or somebody wants to travel towards on you. Others of you guys, if you are in the school, you have here a graduation. Congratulations. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the 8 of Swords. This is a Gemini energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a Gemini or you have a Gemini in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here is feeling trapped. I feel like as well that this is not your energy because you have the clarity. You have seen the truth the way it was and you already accepted. You already evolved and transform, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You look the Judgment. I feel like these are the group of people in the past, or it could also be at present, who are backstabbing you, slandering your name, spreading lies about you. These people who are praying for your downfall. These hateful people who are jealous and mad on you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. It's because I feel like you are no longer engaging your energy to this group of people. The 8 of Swords and the 5 of Swords. You have gone through. You have gone through with this so much painful in your mind and in your heart, which causes with this group of people. Could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle. Could also be your ex or and the community and neighboring area. And now, this group of people are feeling trapped because they couldn't believe how you managed to evolve. How could you transform your life? How could you have this? Look, could be that this group of people is spying on you through your social media, because I feel like for some of you, the world is watching you. It could also be that this group of people are confused. It's because of whatever they did to you, they always failed. Why it was failed? Because you did nothing to these people, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For some of you guys, I don't think that Scorpio are bad people. Of course, there are some Scorpios who aren't evolved, but I don't think that you are wishing, did wish with other people. But this group of people in the past, they did everything to you because of jealousy and envy. And Scorpio is one of the most intimidating zodiac sign. And that's why they are spreading lies about you. They mock you down, they bully you because of your aura, because you have a self-confidence. And this group of people are insecure. The only things they can do is to gossips about you, to spreading lies about you in order to ruin your reputation and your life. Because these are the pathological liars, people. Yeah. And now they are confused because you managed to evolve into a higher self and you don't care with this group of people anymore. You are focusing your new era in your life. Yeah. And you already cut off the ties of these people, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. For some of you, you are still seeing this group of people you can see every day, maybe in your workplace, but in your mind, you already detached with this group of people because you knew the truth. And that's why for some of them, they are now feeling trapped and stuck. You couldn't see this group of people that they are stuck and trapped because they are good pretenders. But they are suffering inside, especially in their heart and in their minds. Yeah. Their guilt eating them up because they couldn't believe that you managed to evolve into a higher level. They couldn't believe that you cut off the ties of this group of people. And that's why for some of them, they are in the spiritual court. They are receiving their karma for what they have done to you. Others of them, I feel that they have a mental anguish. They couldn't sleep in the night. They are having a mental illness. Yeah. Look, these are the group of people. Could also be in your past or at present. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. And this is the final outcome of this reading. Others of you guys, it could also be that this group of people now are, what do you call this? They taste their own medicines for what they have done to you. Okay. And we have here the Death. Look, this is your card. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with a fellow Scorpio. This is your major transformation. You are shedding your old skin. I feel like it was too painful because Scorpio is one of the fixed sign, and it's difficult for Scorpio to leave the people behind, especially Scorpio love those people. Could be in in your family, in your workplace, your friend circle. It could also be in your community. For some of you guys, it could also be that this person or group of people is your colleague at work. I don't know what job, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. You look at your face. It's just like when somebody passed away, when somebody died. You feel too pain in your heart, too much pain in your heart. You don't want to separate with this group of people, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, because I feel like for some of you, you love them, especially your family or your partner, but you have no choice. You need to transform to ended up this painful scenario because it's too much for you. You have gone through the 5 of Swords and the 8 of Swords. And that's why, even if it is difficult, you wave goodbye to this group of people. Oh my gosh, I want to cry. Yeah, look at the face of the lady in this picture. It was painful to separate and to lose somebody else in your life, especially when you love this person. But you have no choice. You need to transform, to accept, to leave the past behind, the people who are no longer serve you in the past. This is your major transformation, the metamorphosis of your life. Metamorphosis is painful but beautiful. Others of you, it could also be that there is an unexpected ending here, a loss, an upheaval. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. This is the outside influence of this reading. You give that to all the people who are backstabbing you, who are praying for your downfall despite of your kindness to them. And that's why it's too painful. Because for some of you, all you did is to be good with these people. All you did to these people is to have compassion, to support them. But in the end, your kindness is your weakness for these people. And that's why you manage to get that with this situation. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have here the 7 of Swords. This is an Aquarius energy. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. Of course, not all of you. It could also be other sign. I feel like somebody here wants to win at all cost. It could also be that somebody here wants to steal from you. Could be your time, your energy, or your resources. And these people trying to manipulate and sabotage you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could be in your family, in your workplace. Could also be your neighbors, your friends in the community, or could also be your ex. Somebody here wants to trick you. Somebody here doing trickery behind the scenes because this person or group of people wants to win at all cost. Others of you, it could also be that this is your energy. You managed to sneaking away to this group of people because you knew exactly what are their intentions towards on you. And you don't want this group of people to know your business because they will only spreading lies about you. They will put you in this scenario in a confusion because of jealousy and envy. And that's why for some of you, you are snaking away from this group of people. The universe advises you here to be very strategic and analytical. It's because I feel like somebody here wants to manipulate you, to trick you, to win at all cost. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And we have heard the bonus card, the Knight of Swords. For some of you guys, it could also be that there are lots of people who are spying on you, far from a distance. Could also be through your social media, your Facebook, your TikTok, your YouTube, your Twitter, your Instagram. These people or this person wants to approach you. They are gathering some informations about you. They are finding ways on how to communicate with you and to approach you. Because I feel like this person or group of people wants to communicate with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could also be that this person is your ex. Yeah. It could also be that this person wants to confront you. This is a very impulsive and reckless person. Others of you, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. Not necessary. It could also be other sign. If this is your energy, the universe advises you to think first before you act. You don't need to make an abrupt decision. You need to gather some data and information before you take an action. Because sometimes if you are taking an action abruptly, it may lead you into trouble. That's why you need to be very analytical and strategical in this scenario, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the Five of Swords here. Tell me more about the Five of Swords in this reading. Show me the cards what I need to see, please. Why the Five of Swords here? The Five of Swords is clarified as fantasy, daydreaming, imagining, and fantasize. Yeah. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius. And this person, because this is the clarification of the Five of Swords, could be your ex. And this person is fantasizing about you, daydreaming about you, and imagining about you. Could also be that this is your ex. And you are spending memories with this person. Could also be a new person. And this person is fantasizing about you. And it could also be that this person feeling defeated. Could also be that this person wants to communicate with you, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I don't know what you have, but somebody here is fantasizing on you. Could be an Aquarius. Okay, and clarify me, please, the Eight of Swords here. Tell me more about the Eight of Swords in this reading. Why the Eight of Swords here? Thank you, spirits. The Eight of Swords is clarified as an apology, forgiveness, return, and sorry. Could also be that this person who embodied the energy of a Gemini wants to apologize, my beautiful souls, Scorpio, to ask forgiveness, to reconcile. Yeah, because this person is feeling sorry for what they have done to you in the past. Yeah. Could also be that these are the group of people in your family, in your friend circle, in your workplace, or in your community, your neighbors. This group of people wants to apologize you. Maybe this group of people could also be in your workplace are misjudging you. But you are no longer attached with this group of people anymore. And that's why they want to apologize you, to ask forgiveness, because they are feeling sorry. It's too late because you look, there is no turning back here. The judgment, you are not the same person before, and you have a different timelines and frequency with these people. Take only what fits in your story, okay? And clarify me, please, the The Seven of Swords here. Why the Seven of Swords in this reading? Please tell me more about the Seven of Swords here. The Seven of Swords is clarified as open heart, receptive, empathy, and vulnerable. You look, and this is the clarification of the Seven of Swords. Yeah. It could also be that this person or group of people wants to trick you, to open your heart once again, to be vulnerable once again. That's why be very strategic, because somebody here want to trick you in order for you to open your heart, to be vulnerable once again. Could be in your family, in your workplace, in your friend circle, in your neighbors. Could also be in your community or your ex. Take only what fits in your story, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. Could also be that you are dealing with an Aquarius, double confirmation. Or you have an Aquarius in your birth chart. You look Five of Swords and Seven of Swords. And clarify me please why the Judgment here. Tell me more about the Judgment here. Show me the cards what I need to see please. Why the Judgment in this reading? The Judgment is clarified as thinking, missing you, craving, and desiring. For some of you guys, it could also be that you are dealing the same sign as Scorpio, because the Judgment is embodied the energy of Pluto. Could be that this person, who is also a Scorpio, a low vibe Scorpio, is craving, thinking, and missing you. Yeah. But you are not the same person before. And there is no turning back here, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. All we can do is to thank, to miss you, to desire you, and to craving your energy, as because you don't go back with this person anymore. I'm sorry for them. Yeah, look, there is no turning back here. And that ends your readings for today, my beautiful souls, Scorpio. I hope you enjoy your reading. And if it resonates to you guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like, comment, and share to enlarge our community. I am very thankful and grateful if you do. Sending you all love and lights wherever you are in the world. Thanks for joining me here. I love you all. Bye.